Subscribe to Rajesh Javalkar and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जावलकर इंग्लिश एकेडमी। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने पढ़ा वॉक अ लिटिल टूअर पोएम। इट इज ब्यूटीफुल पोएम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स, चिट चैट, वार्मिंग अप फ्रॉम द पेयर्स और ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4। यूज these questions to start conversation with your friends। कॉन्वर्सेशन, आप 4 दोस्त का ग्रुप कीजिए और उनके साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन कीजिए। आर यू अ टॉकेटिव पर्सन? यस, आई एम टॉकेटिव पर्सन। आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक। डू यू लाइक टू शेयर योर थॉट्स? यस, आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर माई थॉट्स with my parents, friends, relatives, teachers, neighbor. What would you like to do after 10th? Not yet decided, but I would like to go arts side and I want to become a good teacher. We often need to communicate our thoughts and feelings to others. Sometimes we are not able to do because of various reasons. Let us review it in activity. I would like to talk to my mother about swimming lesson. I would like to talk to my father about speaking English. I would like to talk to my teacher about computer coding because he is good computer teacher. He is expert in running computer. My best friend, I would like to talk to my best friend about picnic, movies, sports. I would like to talk to my grandparents about childhood memories. I would like to talk to my neighbors about sports, politics, general topics. I would like to I would like to learn to speak Kannada from my best friend. I would like to learn to cook from my grandmother. She is very good cook. She prepares delicious dishes, mouth-watering dishes. I would like to learn to solve math sums from my teacher. He is expert in math. He teaches us tricks. He gives us tricks how to solve math sums. I would like to learn to gardening from my neighbor. He is good gardener. I would like to learn to play chess from my cousin. See, I hesitate to talk to my teacher about my studies. I hesitate studies. I hesitate to talk to my brother about the way he talks to my friends. I hesitate to talk to my grandparents about what I would like to do in future. I hesitate to talk to my friends about how I want to spend my holidays. I hesitate to talk to my father about my favorite movies. I hesitate to talk to my mother about the things I want to buy. अभी हम देखते हैं मार्जिन क्वेश्चंस। Margin questions. What would happen if the child tried to walk fast? Why? Walk a little slower, daddy. The child addresses his father. So question here, what would happen if the child tried to walk fast? The child would fail. The child do not want to fall. Here the meaning is, if the child tried to walk fast, he will not able to understand the actions and thoughts of his father. He will fail to achieve success in life. Does the word walk refers only to act of walking? Does the word walk refers only to act of walking? No. Actual meaning of walk does not refer to only act of walking. The poet uses the word walk to refer the actions, decisions, and the way of living of person. What does the poet actually mean to say? What do the footsteps of the father refer to? The footsteps of father refer to the examples set by father. His child or the next generation has to follow these examples. What qualities of your parents, elders would you like to adopt? I would like to adopt my father's qualities. He is confident and honest person. He is good advisor. He continuously keeps himself busy. He is helping nature. So I would like to develop all these qualities of my father, parents, elders, because these are the basic values in my life. अभी हम देखते हैं फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच used in this poem. A figure of speech is a word or phrase that possesses separate meaning from its literal definition. It can be a metaphor or simile designed to make a comparison. It can be the repetition or alliteration of exertion of hyperbole to prove a rhetorical effect, dramatic effect. कविता का सौंदर्य बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ वर्ड्स और कुछ वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते, कविता में यूज किए जाते हैं, उसको हम फिगर ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं. ऐसे कौन कौन से फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है उस वो आज हम देखते हैं. एपोस्ट्रॉफी. एपोस्ट्रॉफी क्या होता है? व्हाट इज एपोस्ट्रॉफी? व्हेन अ डायरेक्ट एड्रेस इज मेड टू डेड और एब्सेंट और पर्सोनाफाइड ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर संबोधन अलंकार में किसी मृत व्यक्ति, अनुपस्थित व्यक्ति, मानवीय व्यक्ति का उल्लेख होता है, जैसे कि वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर डैडी, डैडी. हियर द चाइल्ड एड्रेसेस डैडी, डैडी इज एब्सेंट, वॉक अ लिटिल डैडी. सो इन दिस लाइन it is apostrophe. Inversion. The order of sentence get changed. The order. Said the little child so small. The order is not grammatically correct. काव्यात्मक परिणाम साधने के लिए शब्दों का क्रम बदल के काव्य पंक्तियों का सौंदर्य बढ़ाते हैं, इसलिए इसको ये लाइन चेंज की गई है. सेड द लिटिल चाइल्ड सो स्मॉल. इन्वर्शन. टैटोलॉजी. इस लाइन में टैटोलॉजी भी है. लिटिल एंड स्मॉल दो वर्ड्स अलग अलग है लेकिन इनका मीनिंग एक है. टैटोलॉजी. व्हेन द डिफरेंट वर्ड्स ऑफ द सेम मीनिंग आर यूज्ड इट इज कॉल्ड टैटोलॉजी. जब दो अलग अलग शब्द लेकिन उनका एक ही अर्थ होता है. लिटिल, स्मॉल. alliteration. When a similar sound of repetition of similar letters are used to produce poetic effect. Said the little child so small. Yes, yes, yes. ये letters yes, yes, yes. Said a little child so small. इसी को हम alliteration कहते हैं. When similar sound of repetition of similar letters are used. जैसे कि I am following your footsteps. I am following your footsteps. F, F. And I would want to lead just right. And I would want to lead just right. W, W. They are called alliteration. Repetition. When the same words are repeated, it is called repetition. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. Little word is used. Consonants. Similar letters are used to repeat, but not in similar sequence. They are called consonants. Then I will have a little child. यहाँ यल यूज किया गया, लेकिन वो लास्ट वर्ड के लास्ट में आता है लिटल। यहाँ वर्ड का फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर लेटर यल है और चाइल्ड बीच में आया यल आ गया। इस सीक्वेंस बराबर नहीं है, इसको हम कहते हैं देन कंसोनेंस कहते हैं, सॉरी कंसोनेंस कहते हैं। हु विल वांट टू फॉलो मी, हु विल वांट टू फॉलो मी, यल यल। So walk a little slower, daddy. So walk a little slower, daddy. Yell, yell. तो इस तरह से फिगर ऑफ स्पीच रहते हैं। फिगर ऑफ स्पीच बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन इस कविता में जितने फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आए उसका उल्लेख मैंने किया है। तो यह कविता का पूरा सेशन हो गया। ओके, बाय।